Hello friends and welcome to another video lesson from BBOS Talks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe and click the bell so that you can be notified on new uploads soon. This video, this is part of the playlist called Python tutorial, and you'll be learning about how to set a string in uppercase, lowercase, and title case. Okay, so I'm sure you have in the line of your work while using a computer or even your cell phone, you come across these terms when we want to set a letter to uppercase, lowercase, or title-case. Okay, so by default, Python will just display, when we talk about strings, Python will just display exactly how we enter or we pass a string, because a string is supposed to be a hard-coded value. It is static. So I'll be using the input function to demonstrate this methods. We'll be using methods for these. So you'll see the code is familiar. We have a variable called name, which receives the input of the user. I'm using the input function here, and it will prompt this bunch of text over here. And then in return, the print statement will display this concatenated text over here. Okay, hi, concatenated with the string variable, the value of the string variable, the one entered by the user, concatenated with this. Good day. Okay, let's see. So let's just say when I run this, I will enter a name in all uppercase. Okay, so let's see what happens. So what happens is Python will accept whatever you entered, and then it will display it the way it was entered. So I entered the name in all uppercase, and so Python in return displayed that value, that string in all uppercase. Why? Because this value was passed, the input function passed that entered value to a variable called name. So it was kept there in that container, in that variable. And then it was time to display it using the print function. It will just display to you the way it was entered. Okay, so let's try it another way. Okay, I will rerun this, and then this time I will enter the same name in lowercase this time, and you will see the same thing happen. So in whatever manner we enter the text, it will be displayed similarly. Okay, so I enter this time in all lowercase, so that's why it displayed the text in lowercase. Okay, so the purpose of this video is for you to learn about the methods that you could use to manipulate or edit dynamically or on the fly text or string. Okay, so to have better control, we will be using those methods. We'll start with the upper method. Okay, so what will happen is, here is the variable. I will use a method. So what I will do is I will put a dot on the variable followed by the method name. Okay, which is, in this case, I will use the upper. Okay, so the variable is still there, followed by a dot, and then followed by the method name, which is upper. Okay, so what happens is it will catch the value of the variable name, and then with the help of this method, it will convert that string value to uppercase. Okay, let's try it again. So I'll try with the same name. So I will try entering in all lowercase, and then expecting it to be set and displayed as all uppercase. Okay, so that's what happened. Because of the upper method in here, it converted the string I entered, which was in all lowercase, got converted to all uppercase. Okay, so the next we will do is the reverse, kind of. So instead of upper, I will do a lower. Okay, the lower method is also a method. Okay, so same kind of syntax. the variable, and then dot, and then the lower method. Okay, so let me run this again. This time I'm gonna enter the name in uppercase, expecting to be displayed as in all lowercase. Okay, enter. Okay, exactly as expected. So I entered in all uppercase, and then because of the lower method in here, it displayed the text in all lowercase. Okay. Finally, we will learn about sometimes we have that need that neither an all uppercase nor an all lowercase is the one that we need. We prefer it to be displayed in what is known as title case, wherein the initial letter of the word is in capitals or in uppercase. Okay, so we will use title case this time. Okay, so enter. This time I will maybe, so I entered in all uppercase, expecting this bunch of letters here, this text here, to be displayed in title case. Okay. Okay, so that's title case. I entered all in uppercase, and because of the title method in here, it converted that text to title case. Title case is one in which the initial letter of each word is capitalized. So you see the J has been capitalized as well as the C. Okay, so in this video, short and sweet, we have learned about functions that deal with the case of strings. It's different from there's another case concept in IT, which we'll talk about it on some other day, but this is dealing with the case of strings, uppercase, lowercase, and title case. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe and click the bell and pass the word. I hope to see you in the next video.